Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to reveal to you how you can restore already closed tabs or recently closed tabs on Mozilla Firefox. So let us dive right into it. So launch Mozilla Firefox, and here on your home feed or home screen, guys, let me just close that tab here for demonstration purposes by clicking into X here. So guys, what you will need to do is click into this button in the very top left corner, Microsoft, sorry, it's not Microsoft, it's Mozilla, of course, Firefox View. Click into it. If you don't see that feature, Firefox View, guys, you can enable it and add to your home tab here on Mozilla Firefox by updating Mozilla Firefox to its newest version. So to do that, let me show you how to do that really quickly. Click into these three lines in the top right, select Settings. And here in the General tab, guys, scroll all the way down till you get to Firefox Updates. Let me find it. There you go. So as you can see, I'm using the most recently released version, but if you need to update it, guys, simply click on Check for Updates here. Let Firefox scan for new updates and install them. And that is going to update Firefox. So again, access the Firefox View feature in here. Switch to recently closed tabs and select the one you would like to restore, which was this one here. And yeah, you can also search for specific closed tabs here by using that search bar. Let me click into that, and that is going to open the recently closed tab here in that list at the top. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. And there's also option number 2, guys. You can also simply right click into your tab here at the top and select reopen closed tab, and that is going to open the most recently closed tab automatically in a new tab. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.